In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a techno drop like Reinier Zonneveld did in these tracks. Including these elements. First I'm going to build up the track with the basics, so let's start off with the drums. Then from the drums we're going to work our way up with the ambiances, steps and main lead sound. So first let's pick a kick from the bunker pack. Let's use this one. A really nice distorted kick. Then we're going to add in a rumble. This one sounds quite nice, so drop it in. And fit it to the tempo. Just like this. Then we're going to mix it. First, we're going to drop in an EQ to find the root frequency of the main key we're going to play in. So in this case, it's a G, sitting at 49 Hz. Then open up the R bass and set it to 49. And boost it. This way we get a more tonal rumble. Then we're going to compress it a little bit. Distortion. Go off the high end a little bit. And put it in mono. And then we need to finish it off with a head loop. Let's use this one and fit it to the tempo. So altogether the basics sound like this. Then we're gonna fill it up with some ambience sounds as a reese, ambience and some steps. Let's use this one. Drop it in, fit it to the tempo. Bump it up 3 semitones to have it in G minor. Get rid of the low end. And sidechain it. Makes it really dark. So we got a new Serum. Then I want to add in a reese ambience. Let's use this one. And drop it in, again add a G. Sounded like this. We're also gonna automate the mod view. Like this, giving this effect. Then just get rid of the low end. Distortion. And sidechain. Something like this. Then we're gonna drop in the classic acid step. Yeah, this one's perfect. And mix it. Clean up the low ends. Put it stereo. Delay. And reverb. That's a really solid foundation. Now we're gonna add in a spice with a main lead sound. With that signature Reinier Zonneveld lead sound. So pick a lead from the bunker pack. Link down below as well if you want to check it out. Let's use this one. Right here. And up to the dissonance. Yeah, that's solid. Duplicate it and mix it. Again, first get rid of the low end. Add some distortion. Or some OTT, just a little bit. Bringing out more of the reverb and then reverb and delay. And of course a sidechain. Giving that bounce. Then I also added these filters to drop it in the build up. So that's it for the lead sound. Now I quickly gonna arrange it. So I just added some build elements to it. First the reeses and lead we have. Together with ambiances. And then I created this simple 99 snare roll. Fresh sound from the pack.
She asked me for a chaser.
And I dropped in a vocal from the pack. I dropped in this one.
She asked me for a chaser. I handed her some coke.
Pitch it up to G minor. Like this. And I also added in this automation on the master with a logo. So that's how you make a Reinier Zonneveld style drop. I think it turned out really dope. It's really simple but really effective. So let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like. Leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.